Hi queens, welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna have, I think this is just gonna be a one-day vlog. We are headed to DC to go look at our new house, and you're just gonna spend the day with me, see the, like, walk through the house. I'm also gonna have lunch with Tashira, so you'll see her, and then we're also gonna do some like decor shopping because we're staying like out near Tyson's, and there's a design store that like does closets. I'm looking at them to do my closet possibly, so we'll go in there. And there's like a CB2 in the mall now, so I just want to get some ideas. I'll show you my Pinterest board too of like the vision for the new house. So that's what this vlog is about. But today we need to get, I'm like finishing packing. I'm also going to get my travel outfit together. So you guys know I live in Virginia Beach. We're moving back to the DMV, which is like 3.5 hours away. So I need a travel outfit, and I wanted to film this now while I am up and at 'em, because we're leaving at like 6 in the morning tomorrow. So there's no way I could start the vlog tomorrow. There's just no way, because Josh has somewhere to be kind of early in the morning. So we're starting today, but I want to show you what I'm going to travel in tomorrow and talk you through it. Also, this part of the video is in partnership with Tom's, and I have some really cute boots which I wanted to travel in because I need something comfortable, obviously, to wear on the car ride. I'm not good at car rides, but I also needed like a good boot to walk through the house, and I'm just gonna wear this outfit all day, so I also want it to be cute. So I got 2 pair of boots from Tom's, and I need to decide which pair I'm gonna wear. I have on what I'm gonna wear tomorrow, but I have, look at these, look sole. They're kind of blown out, but you'll see better when I try them on. But super cute, like cream pair. I also have this pair, which was what caught my eye first. You know, I love a chunky shoe. I love a chunky shoe. So I think I'm going with the green, but I'm going to try both on just to be sure. The white may surprise me. They also have sunglasses. I want to pick a pair of sunglasses also based on what shoe I pick. I'm leaning towards the big ones because, you know, I like bigger frames. Oh, these are cute. I don't have a lot of tortoise shell sunglasses. So this is the first pair from Tom's. They also come in this cute little package. Like, this is your, you know, to travel in. Put your glasses in. And this is the other pair, which I actually think these might look cuter on Josh. He looks cute with like, it's like a Wayfair kind of style. I feel like this is like a little small for me. This has some good sun protection though, because I can barely see the screen. Looking in the mirror. Yeah, actually, these make me look kind of like, I feel like a little Parisian in these. Wearing like a little jumpsuit. I feel like every time I talk about travel in jumpsuits, people talk about like, it's too much work, it's too much effort. It's really not, but here's the thing. This is good for me. I cannot travel in just leggings, like that have a waistband. I cannot have tight things, like on my waist. I have a bad back. Like, it's so painful to me. Like, after about 30 minutes to an hour of just sitting with like a tight waistband, I can't do it. I need seamless. So I have this little jumpsuit, and then so all I need is boots. All I need is boots and a coat. And I know I'm gonna do my little velvet coat again because I need to be comfortable. So I want to just be in the car, cozy. We'll need a boot. So let's see. I think green. Show you the bag. I'm wearing a black bag, so I feel like I have to wear. I think the green. White or green? White. Really? Looks better. It looks better? Yeah. All right. Okay, Josh said white. So now I'm considering white. I need white sunglasses though. Okay, this is the fit. So now we're ready, and I always do this. I always lay out my travel fit ahead of time. Tomorrow, when I'm sleepy, I don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna sit my stuff here. See you guys tomorrow. Of course, I'll link the 2 boots below from Tom's. I'm gonna go with the white ones, and I believe they are having a sale, but I'll link everything below. Make sure you check them out. Thank you to Tom's for sponsoring this part of the video. Can't decide if I'm gonna do these glasses because I was planning on doing these with the green boots. So now I feel like I need white sunglasses. But we'll see in the morning what I decide. All right, we made it to DC. We're gonna go look at the house, and I'll show you around. And then we're gonna go look at closet stuff, probably just some furniture at Tyson's. There's a closet store that I was telling you about. So let's go.
Okay, so this is the idea for the living room and the overall just theme of the house. I want these kind of like dark gray and brown tones with like pops of greenery. So these 2 pictures are a good indication of like what I'm looking for when I go shopping. This is kind of the tones for the kitchen. So we are doing wood paneling on like the side, and then the back cabinets are going to be black, but we're going to do a different type of countertop. But this is a good idea because this is kind of the layout. These are the actual appliances we're doing so they can match with the black cabinets that we chose. And then this is the countertop backsplash that I'm looking at or thinking about. We're gonna go pick out the slab in a few weeks, so I'll take you along for that. But I definitely want something with a lot of character and something fun. This is what most of the bathrooms will look like. Not our master, but this is kind of like just what every other bathroom. And then this is a good idea of what the staircase will look like. So it'll make sense once you see the house, but it's a lot of light coming in, and then it's glass, floating shelves. This is Josh's office. So he's keeping his same furniture he has, but we already painted this room very dark. So that's that. And then this is off of our bedroom. It's kind of the vibe. We have a really big balcony, so we want to do something similar to this, and we're going to have the same wood paneling. And then these are my closet ideas. I'm leaving my current closet in our house. We're just filling it with the closet. So I want to do something a little more custom and just a different vibe. And I also want doors, so that's going to be a process. And then this is another picture because I do want to do a custom kind of vanity situation too. So now let's get into the house. So this is the house. This is coming from upstairs going downstairs. So everything you see is wood. That will be glass, and then the stairs will be floating stairs. And this is the entryway. It's pretty much similar to our house now as far as layout, but it's 1,000 more square feet. So it's 4,000 square feet instead of 3,000. I love all the light that comes right in through the windows and doors. We also have this big space under the stairs I have to figure out what to do with. And then this is Josh's office. Hasn't been painted yet, but it's right at the front of the house like it is now. And then there's a bathroom, a full bath that connects to it. And then this is going into the living room, kitchen, great room. This little corner is going to be the dining room with the same table. We're keeping all of that furniture. And then the kitchen is a lot bigger. So that's kind of the layout that you saw is exactly what it's going to look like. This is a mud room, which we never really use ours, but it's there. And then the pantry, and then we'll get into upstairs. All right, and now we're upstairs, and this is right where the staircase is. So this first room is going to be our gym. We're going to put mirrors on the wall and just put our gym equipment in there. And then the first bedroom is our room. That's Josh's walk-in closet. And then, like I said, that big balcony. So we have to figure out what to do with that space. And then this is the bathroom, which is a little smaller than our current bathroom, but we think it'll be fine. And then across from our bedroom is going to be my closet. So it is definitely bigger than the one I have now, but it kind of has the same idea. It has a Jack and Jill bathroom like mine has now, which will be my hair bathroom. And then this will be the studio, which is how our setup is now. So that's where me and Maya will work, where we'll shoot campaigns, things like that. And then coming down the hall, this will be our 1 guest bedroom. So instead of 2, we'll have 1, but it's a lot bigger, has a walk-in closet and its own bathroom. So this will be what the guests use. And that is the house so far. So let me know what you think. Okay, so this is the store I was talking about with the closets. And honestly, they design every room in your house, and it's Italian and it's stunning. It is quite pricey, so we're just gonna focus on the closet for now. So they do come out and like measure everything. This is the information that I wanted to get. But they'll measure everything and they will design something for you or a few options for you. Look how stunning that kitchen is. That's my dream kitchen. So that's what we were talking to them about. Next week, they're going to come out and kind of give us some designs, measure the room space, and then give us a quote. And honestly, I'm just going to go from there. IKEA's always been IKEA and working for me. But I would like to elevate this a bit since this is more of our dream home. So I'm just going to see if I feel like it's worth it. And then we stopped in CB2 because I've never actually been in a CB2 store. I love this table. Like, I'm looking at all of the kind of tones that we want to go with. Like, we're looking at a lot of like black marbles and just dark, tones. And I also want to do like a lot of gray. We need a new rug. So we're literally just looking at everything. And then I was also looking at this cabinet. Again, we just want to get more darker tones, but just trying to get some inspiration. So looking at everything, Restoration Hardware is my go-to when I need inspiration. That's where our bed is from, which really inspired the whole design of our bedroom. So I would love to get some more pieces, but they again are also quite pricey, so not too much, but we're getting some ideas. I definitely want to get probably like some type of chandelier for like the dining room or living room. I'm not sure. And they have the perfect gray couch that I was also looking at. Here I am envisioning Josh handing me a drink. We really like these chairs. We also feel like we need a little seating area in between the kitchen and the living room because it's just a lot more space than we have now. So I'm thinking about like 4 of these chairs, maybe like in a circle with like a little mini coffee table in between. That's the idea here. Not in this color though. This would be in like a green. And then this is the couch I was talking about. I'd want to do 2 couches, I think, instead of a sectional. So I got to play around with it and take some measurements. But it's just a lot more space to work with than we're used to. So we need to figure that out. I think we're going to keep our dining table because we really like it. And a circle fits really nicely. But again, highly recommend going into Restoration Hardware just to get the vibes if you need them.
So you saw the house yesterday. Let me know what you think about some of the ideas that I have. Pretty sure I put up my Pinterest pictures as well. So yeah, we are leaving DC now. I'm going to end the vlog here. Make sure you check out the goodies I showed from Tom's. I'll link everything below. I wore the white boots yesterday, but I'll link the green ones too and the sunglasses. These are the sunglasses I'm going to use today. That I think match the green boots better, but it is what it is. So I'll link all of those below. I'm pretty sure they're having a sale on boots right now. But again, I'll link everything below. Thanks for sticking to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.